How to untag yourself from Facebook post in feed. To untag yourself from a Facebook post in your feed, follow these steps. Launch Facebook app on your device. Ensure the login or sign into your account. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. On this menu section, tap Profile at top of the screen. Scroll a bit down and find the post you are tagged in. For that, you can tap on Photos and tap on Tagged Photos. Once you get the post, tap on three dots at the top right corner of this post. Now in this drop-down menu box, select Remove Tag and confirm that you want to remove the tag. Select Not Now. And that's it. By following this step, you can easily untag yourself from a post on Facebook, helping you manage your online presence and privacy. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.